H is for hat, sitting snug on your head. It keeps you cozy when it's time for bed. A cowboy, a wizard, or maybe a cap. No matter the style, it's a great little wrap. H is for house, with the door painted red, where we all gather and rest our head. A kitchen for cooking, a room to play, and a comfy spot to end the day. Windows so wide to let in the light. A house is a place that feels just right. H is for heart, beating strong in our chest, filled with love, it's truly the best. It cares for our family and friends so dear, keeping them close, bringing them near. The heart is brave, it's always true, it helps us know just what to do. H is a letter full of fun, with happy words for everyone. Hat, house, heart, we learn and say, H is the hero of our day.